Hello students, I am Narinder Singh. Welcome to my channel GN Coaching Center. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 1.6. Before solving this exercise 1.6, you must learn these formulas. Now let us solve exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. First question is, if x and y are two sets such that nx equal to 17, ny 23 and x and y equal to 38, find nx intersection y. So our formula is nx union y equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. You have to put the value. This is given 23, no, this is given 38, sorry. This is 17, ny is 23, and this you have to find x intersection y. इसको इधर ले आओ. So n x intersection y equal to, this is 40 minus 38. So n x intersection y equal to 2. This is answer. Second question is, if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? So it is x union y has 18 elements. That means n x union y equal to 18. X has 8 elements, therefore nx equal to 8. Y has 15 elements, therefore ny equal to 15. Now we know the formula. N of x intersection y is equal to n x plus ny minus n x union y. So nx is 8, ny is 15 minus union is 18. This is 23 minus 18. This is 5. So answer is 5. Third question is, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? तो 400 पे टोटल हैं, 250 जो है हिंदी बोल सकते हैं, 200 इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं. We have to find how many people can speak both Hindi and English. तो हिंदी जो बोल सकते हैं वो है 250 हैं. लेट अस से NH इक्वल टू 250. तो हिंदी बोल सकते हैं उनकी नंबर है 250. ऐसे जो इंग्लिश स्पीक कर सकते हैं वो उनकी नंबर है, उनका नंबर है 200. n इक्वल टू 100. टोटल 400 है. सो n h यूनियन e जो है दैट इज 400, जो इधर इंग्लिश और हिंदी स्पीक सकते हैं. तो हमने निकालना है हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन स्पीक बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. बोथ इन इंग्लिश मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड इंटरसेक्शन and h intersection e, which we have to find. Now we know the formula. So n h intersection e equal to nh plus ne minus n h union e. We have to put the values. NH is 250. This is 200 minus this is 400. This is 450 minus 400. This is 50. So number of people who can speak both Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English. That is equal to 50. This is the answer. Fourth question is, if S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does SUT have? So S has 21 elements, so NS equal to 21, T has 32 elements, so and T equal to 32, intersection has 11 elements. So by formula, NSUT equal to NS plus NT minus NS intersection T. NS is 21, this is 32, this is 11. This is 53 minus 11. This is 42. So NS UT equal to 42. This is the answer. Fifth question is, if X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersect Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have? So we have to use again the same formula. Here X has 40 elements, so NX is given 40, and X union Y is given 60, and X intersection Y, this is given 10. Again same formula, N X union Y equal to NX plus NY minus NX intersection Y. Put these values. This is 60, and X is 40, and Y we have to find. This is 10. 60, this is 30, so minus 30 equal to NY, so NY equal to 30. This is the answer. So Y has 30 elements. This is the answer. Sixth question is, in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many like both coffee and tea? 37 like coffee, N, let us C denote coffee, and C is 37. 52 like tea. So if T denotes tea, then and T is 52, and total is 70, so N C union T is 70. We have to find how many likes both coffee and tea. That means we have to find intersection. So N formula is NC intersection T equal to NC plus NT minus NC union T. There is NC is 37, and T is 52, and this is 70. So this is 89 minus 70, this is 19, and C intersection T equal to 19. So 19 person like both coffee and tea. This is the answer. Seventh question is, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only? How many like tennis? तो टोटल है 65. सो अगर सी डिनोट करे क्रिकेट को और टी टेनिस को, देन सी यूनियन टी क्या हो गया 65, टोटल 65, और 40 लाइक क्रिकेट, दैट मीन्स एन सी इज इक्वल टू 40. 10 लाइक बोथ क्रिकेट एंड टेनिस, both means intersection. So NC intersection T is 10. Now you have to find how many like tennis only and how many like tennis. So formula is same. First we apply N union T equal to NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. Union is 65, NC is 40, NT you have to find, and NC intersection T is 10. So 65 equal to 40 minus 10, 30 plus NT. So NT is equal to 65 minus 30 is equal to 35. So people who like tennis, therefore number of people who like tennis equal to 35. Now number of people who like tennis only, you have to subtract NT minus NC intersection T. जो टेंस लाइक करते हैं उसमें से जो दोनों लाइक करते हैं उसको माइनस करना है. दिस इज 35 minus intersection is 10, so this is 25. So this is answer. Eighth question is, in a community of 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many people speak at least one of these two languages? So 50 people speak French. Let us say F denotes set of people who speak French. Then NF equal to 50. Spanish हम S use कर लें. So NS equal to 20. 10 speak both means this intersection. So NF intersection S equal to 10. We have to find how many speak at least one of these two languages. At least means we have to find union. So NF union S equal to formula NF plus NS minus NF intersection S. NF is 50, this is 20, this is 10. So 70 minus 10, this is 60. So 60 people speak at least one of these two languages. This is answer. So 60 is answer. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe the channel GN Coaching Center and press the bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming videos.